Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us here today. We come here today first for our Bicycle celebration, and second for the workers who work hard for us every single day. We're so thankful for all of you. But first, we're thankful for the kitchen staff for making us lovely meals with their most love and efforts every single day. To our drivers for waking up at 1 in the morning and driving us to Golden Temple and then day scholars here to Emily Valley. To our DDs and workers for keeping the school clean and hygienic. We're so thankful to our security guards for keeping the school safe and protected. To our gardeners for keeping the school lush and looking beautiful all around. We're so thankful to our electricians, carpenters, and other support staff for keeping the school running smoothly. We're so thankful finally to God for blessing us with these humble, genuine, and hardworking people. And finally, happy Bisophony, everybody.